Want to feel more energized, improve your health, and eat delicious food all in just 7 days? Join me on this 7-day plant-powered challenge where I'll show you how to easily incorporate more plant-based foods into your meals without sacrificing flavor. Stick around, because these simple changes could transform your body and mind in just 1 week. Day 1. Awareness and preparation. Your journey begins with mindfulness. Take stock of your current diet, identifying meals that are already plant-rich and those that rely heavily on processed foods or animal products. Begin by making small, manageable swaps that won't overwhelm you. Breakfast can start with oatmeal topped with berries, chia seeds, or sliced bananas, providing fiber, antioxidants, and slow-digesting carbohydrates that sustain energy throughout the morning. At lunch, consider adding an extra serving of vegetables to sandwiches, wraps, or salads. Or experiment with a quinoa and chickpea bowl drizzled with lemon tahini dressing. Dinner can incorporate roasted vegetables alongside a small portion of whole grains, making the meal colorful and nutrient-dense. Even these minor adjustments help lay the foundation for plant-powered living, allowing your body to gradually adjust to higher fiber intake and different flavors while increasing awareness of the foods you consume. Day 2. Embracing a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. On the second day, focus on variety. Strive to fill half your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables at each meal, understanding that different colors represent different phytonutrients essential for health. Green vegetables such as kale, spinach, and broccoli are packed with vitamin K, iron, and folate. Red and orange foods like carrots, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes provide beta-carotene and antioxidants that support vision and immune health. Blue and purple fruits, including blueberries and blackberries, contain anthocyanins, compounds that help reduce inflammation and protect cardiovascular health. Consider roasting a medley of vegetables with a drizzle of olive oil and herbs, or blending spinach, kale, and berries into a refreshing smoothie. Even snacking on raw vegetables paired with a homemade hummus or guacamole dip contributes to your daily intake, allowing you to nourish your body while enjoying vibrant flavors and textures. Day 3. Whole grains and fiber-rich foods. On day 3, focus on incorporating whole grains and fiber-rich foods. Fiber plays a crucial role in satiety, digestion, and blood sugar regulation. Replace refined grains such as white rice, pasta, and bread with brown rice, quinoa, barley, oats, or whole wheat pasta. Consider preparing a hearty Buddha bowl with roasted vegetables, lentils, and quinoa. Or start the morning with overnight oats topped with seeds and fresh fruit. Whole grains slow digestion, providing a steady release of energy and preventing blood sugar spikes. Additionally, fiber-rich foods serve as prebiotics, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria and supporting digestive health. By day 3, your body begins to benefit from this combination of slow-digesting carbohydrates and nutrient-rich plant foods, improving energy and promoting a feeling of fullness that helps curb overeating. Day 4. Legumes and plant-based proteins. Day 4 introduces plant-based proteins such as beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, and edamame. Protein is essential for muscle repair, hormone balance, and metabolic function, and incorporating plant sources ensures nutrient density alongside fiber and phytonutrients. Replace one animal protein meal with a plant-based alternative, such as a chickpea and vegetable stir-fry instead of chicken or a hearty lentil soup for lunch. Combining legumes with grains like rice and beans creates a complete protein, delivering all essential amino acids your body needs. Including plant proteins also supports sustained energy, stabilizes blood sugar, and helps manage hunger between meals. Preparing legumes in advance, such as soaking beans or cooking lentils in bulk, makes incorporating them into meals seamless and encourages creativity with plant-forward recipes. Day 5. Healthy fats and nutrient-dense additions. Day 5 emphasizes incorporating healthy fats from plants. Fats are essential for brain function, hormonal balance, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Include avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil into your meals for satiety and flavor. Drizzle olive oil over roasted vegetables or salads. Add chia or flax seeds to your breakfast. And snack on almonds or walnuts throughout the day. Healthy fats balance meals, slow digestion, and enhance nutrient absorption while supporting heart health and anti-inflammatory processes. By day 5, the combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats provides a balanced nutritional profile, stabilizes energy levels, and reduces cravings for processed or sugary foods. Day 6. Mindful eating and plant-based creativity. On the 6th day, the focus shifts to mindfulness and culinary creativity. Take time to savor each bite, noticing flavors, textures, and aromas, which can improve digestion and enhance your connection with food. Explore new plant-based recipes and experiment with herbs, spices, and citrus to elevate meals naturally, without adding excess salt or sugar. For instance, try roasted cauliflower tacos with black beans, a lentil-based pasta sauce, or a hearty vegetable stew with aromatic spices. Mindful eating also allows you to recognize hunger and fullness cues, reducing mindless snacking and promoting a healthier relationship with food. By experimenting with recipes and flavors, you continue to expand your palate while enjoying the transformative power of plant-based ingredients. Day 7. Reflection and sustainable planning. The final day of the challenge focuses on reflection and planning for long-term sustainability. Reflect on your week. Did you notice increased energy, improved digestion, or reduced cravings for processed foods? Which plant-based swaps were easiest to incorporate, and which felt challenging? Use this insight to plan the following week, creating grocery lists of staple plant foods, preparing meals in advance, and identifying opportunities to explore new fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, and healthy fats. Sustainable plant-powered habits develop gradually, with each positive choice reinforcing your confidence and ability to make healthy dietary decisions. By day 7, the combination of increased plant intake, mindful preparation, and reflective practice empowers you to continue improving your diet while enjoying the flavors, nutrition, and wellness benefits of plants. The 7-day plant-powered challenge is more than a temporary experiment, it is a gateway to long-term health. By gradually incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats, you create habits that support energy, digestion, mental clarity, and overall vitality. Each day builds on the previous one, guiding you from awareness and small swaps to creative, mindful eating practices that can be maintained long after the challenge ends. Even small, consistent changes can have profound impacts on health, weight management, and disease prevention. By embracing this week-long challenge, you gain knowledge, practical experience, and confidence in plant-powered eating, setting the stage for lasting lifestyle transformation. Start today. Explore flavors, enjoy new textures, and discover the power of plants to nourish your body and elevate your well-being. Congratulations on starting your 7-day plant-powered challenge. If you loved these tips, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss easy ways to boost your health and energy. Keep exploring plant-based meals, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next Healthy Eating Guide.